Hi everyone, I'm Nirisha, Assistant Professor in the Department of CSIT working in MLR Institutions of Technology. Today we are going to discuss about string handling functions in the C programming language. So overview, so string handling functions and also the example programs of each and every function. String handling functions in C programming language provides a set of predefined functions called string handling functions to work with string values. We are working with only the string values. And the string handling functions are defined in the header file called string.h. So whenever we want to use any string handling functions, we must include the header file called string.h. Printf, scanf, putf, putchar, getf, getchar, all these functions are defined in the header file stdio.h header file. So that's nothing but standard input and output header file. So if you are using the other functions like square root or power, at that time you are using math.h header file. So now we are using the string functions, which means the definition of this functions are defined in the string.h header file. So that is the reason why we need to include that header file also along with the stdio.h header file. So the string handling functions are, the first one we are starting with the string length function. So the string length function, so the only this name we need to give when we are using this characters strlen. So only particular that characters we need to give when we are using this functions. So next, the string length function returns a length of the given string. It gives the length of the given string. It does not count the null character. So as we discussed, string is nothing but a group of characters that are enclosed in a double quotes and are terminated by a null character. But here, by using this string length function, we will get only the particular characters that what we have given, and it will exclude the null character by using this string length function. So one of the example programmers, see, these are the header files stdio.h that we are using for the printf function and the string.h that we are using for the string length function. And the next in main, this is nothing but the declaration and initialization that are done in a single line. So that declarations also we have seen in the previous lecture. So the data type is char, ch is nothing but the name of the string, and 20 is the number of characters that we are using to store that particular string. And here by using this double inverted quotes, we have given the string as an hello. So now we need to find the length of that particular string. And by using this printf statement, we are asking length of the string is percentile d. So here we are taking the control string as percentile d because it is nothing but we are counting the number of characters that are present in that particular string. So the count is specified in the integer data type. So that is the reason why we are taking here percentile d as a format specifier. And string length is a function name, and in the string length we are giving this a ch variable. Ch is nothing but where our string contains. Where is our string? So the string can be identified by using that variable name. So that is the reason why we are giving here ch variable string name inside the string length function. So the string length will find the number of characters that are present in this ch string. So here the number of characters are 5. So coming to the test cases, length of the string is 5. So whenever we are declaring a string, so whenever we have done this initial declaration and initialization, the C compiler will also take the null character after this hello. So it is terminated by a null character, so it also takes a null character. So it excludes that null character and only prints that the number of characters that what we have given by using this string length function. The next is a string copy function. The string copy function copies the source string in the destination string. So which means here we need to declare some two strings. So one string we are copying inside the another string. One string we are copying into the another string. So here we are taking a header file that we are using for putf function, and the next is string.h that we are using for a string copy function. So here we are taking the character data type. String 1 is my string name and 20 is the number of characters, and the string we are taking it as a C programming. And the next is we are declaring the string 2, but we didn't initialize any string values to that particular string 2. So what we are doing is we are copying the string 1 to the string 2 by using the string copy function. So string copy function, string 2 to string 1. So whatever this is the source string. String 1 is the source string and string 2 is the destination string. So string 1 we are copying into the string 2. So next putS, by using putS function we are printing string 1, and also by using putS function we are printing the string 2. So in string 2 also we'll have the same string as what we have in the string 1, because we have copied this string 1 to the string 2 by using string copy function. So here in the test cases, this is the string 1. By using first putS statement, we will get the string 1, and by using the next putS statement, we will get the string 2 characters, whatever the characters that are present in the string 2. String copy is used to copy one string to the another string. And the next is a string cat. String cat function concatenates two strings and result is returned in the first string. So what it does is string cat function will join the two strings. The two strings will get joined or concatenated or added by using this string cat function. And here header file, we need to use both the header files. One is used for standard input and output header files, for printf and scanf statements, and for putchar and getchar statements, and also for putS and getter statements. And then string handling functions are defined in the string.h. That is the reason why we are also including that header file. And next is the main function. So this is the first string declaration, and this is the second string declaration. So the first string characters are hello, and the second string characters are hi. And by using the string cat function, we are concatenating both these strings. So ch2 string we are joining in the ch1 string. And by using this printf statement, we are printing that ch. So this is nothing but the first string. So the first string we are printing. So if you print, the second string is also joined in that first string. So value of the first string will be hello, hi. So because by using the string cat function, we have joined it. For suppose if you are giving the syntax as like ch2 and ch. So in ch it is hello, and in ch2 it is hi. So whatever the characters that we have in ch, that are concatenated to the ch2. So the output will be printed as hi and hello. So string cat function will concatenates the two strings. It's nothing but combining the two strings. So based on this syntax, so which string you want to concatenate with which string, that we need to decide first. Then only we need to write this. If you want to concatenate first string with the second string, then you need to write this. If you want to concatenate with the second string with the first string, then you need to write this. So string compare. So string compare function compares two strings and returns 0 if both strings are equal. And here we are using getters function to read the strings. And the next header file, these two are header file, and next is the main function. And two strings we have declared, one is str1 and other one is str2. And the next we are asking to enter the string 1, and by using this getters function we are reading the string 1. So see here, enter the string 1 inside the output screen. So hello was read by using this getters function, and where it is stored in the string 1. And then next, by using printf statement, we are asking to print the second string, and by using this getters function we are reading that second string. So see here in the test case, enter string 2. In string 2 also we are giving it as hello. That hello was read by using this getters function and stored in this str2 string. And the next string compare. To the string compare we are passing two parameters, that is string 1 and string 2. So if these two strings are equal, then the string compare function will return 0, or else it will return a positive value or a negative value. So that is the reason why this function we have kept inside an if loop, and we are checking whether we have got the value when we compare the two strings as 0 or not. So if we get the values as 0, then we are telling print the strings are equal. Else we are telling the strings are not equal. The next is a string reverse function. So string reverse function reverse the given string. So it reverses a given string. So inside the main function we are declaring a string, and the next we are asking to enter a string. By using this getters function we are reading that string, and this printf statement we are printing that particular string. And the next reverse of a string. by using printf statement. And here we are using the function as strrev, reverse function, and to this we have passed only a single parameter, that is str. So what string you want to reverse, that is the whatever the characters that we have in the str string that we want to reverse. So that is the reason why in this string reverse function I have passed that str as a parameter. So in the output test cases, enter string hello, string is hello, and the reverse of the string is this particular string got reversed here, OLLEH. And the next is the string lower function. The string lower function returns string characters to the lowercase. So here again, header files, we have declared a string, we are asking to enter a string, and by using it as we are reading that particular string, and by using this printf we are reading that string, whatever we have read by using getAs function, that string we are reading. And the next, by using this printf function, we are converting it into the lowercase. So see here, strlwr is my function name, and to this we are passing the string name as a parameter. So whatever the characters that are present in this str string, that will get converted to the lowercase. So and converted, and that will be printed in the place of this format specifiers. So coming to the test cases, enter string mlrit. String is mlrit and lowercase string is c. Whatever the string that we have given in an uppercase, that string is converted into the lowercase by using this strlwr function. And next is the string upper. String upper function returns string characters in uppercase. So we have declared a string, and the next we are asking to enter a string. By using this getAs function, we are reading this string, and by using printf function we are reading that particular string whatever we have given. And by using the string upper functions, strupr function, whatever the characters that we are given in the string name str are converted into an uppercase, and that will be displayed in the control string format specifier. So coming to the test cases, enter string mlrit. String what we have given is mlrit, and upper string is, so the mlrit whatever we have given in the lowercase is converted into the uppercase. And some of the other string handling functions also are there. So I want to discuss one of them. So here the function we are using is string ncopy. So strncpy. So we have seen in the lecture, we have seen the string strcpy. strcpy will copy the complete characters from one string to the another string. Coming to the ncpy. So how many number of characters you want to copy? Only that many number of characters you can copy from string 1 to string 2. So here the parameters that we are passing is 3 number of parameters that we are passing. So string 1 is the source string, string 2 is the destination string, and n is the number of characters that you want to copy from string 1 to the string 2. And point to be noted is here only the first characters that we can copy, or we cannot copy the middle of characters or the last characters. We can only copy the first characters. This the character starting from the first till n. Only that characters we can copy from string 1 to the string 2. So we can see an example over here. So that is, we have given here header files stdio.h and string.h, and inside this main function we are also declaring one n variable. So that is of type int. So this is to specify the number of characters that you want to copy. So how many number of characters you want to copy. So that count we are giving inside, and that count we are giving by using an integer data type. And then next, these are the 2 strings that we have declared, and to this string 1 we have initialized the string, that is C programming. And then next, by using the printf statement, we are asking to enter number of characters you want to copy. So how many number of characters, starting characters you want to copy from string 1 to string 2. And by using this scanf statement, we are reading that particular value. So how many number of characters. And next, by using the string copy function, string ncopy, the string 1 characters are copied to the string 2. And how many? Only n number of characters are copied. For string copy, we are passing only 2 parameters, that is string 2 and string 1. So string 1 is directly copied to string 2. But coming to the string ncopy, we are passing some 3 characters, we are also giving as n. And the next, by using put as function, we are printing this string 1, and also we are printing the number of characters that are present in the string 2. So we'll execute and check it. So here it is asking it as here it is asking it as how many number of characters you want to copy. So for suppose I am giving some 9 characters, 9 characters of string 1 to string 2. So see, the first string, so here by using put as function, we are printing string 1 and string 2. The first string is C programming. And the second string, we have copied only 9 characters. See, C is 1, 2 space, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 9 number of characters are copied from string 1 to string 2 by using this string n copy function. And also we have some other functions like string n compare. So n number of characters only we can compare from string 1 and string 2. String n reverse, only first n number of characters we can reverse in the particular string. And string n cat, only some n characters we can join from string 1 to the string 2. Thank you.